Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send or receive a large sum of money quickly? Perhaps you're buying a property, settling a debt, or simply transferring funds between accounts. If so, you've probably considered using a wire transfer. But what about SoFi Bank? Does this popular online bank offer this convenient service? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what a wire transfer is. Essentially, it's a method of electronic fund transfer that allows you to send money directly from one bank account to another, often across international borders. It's a popular choice for large transactions due to its speed and security. SoFi Bank, on the other hand, has gained significant popularity in recent years for its innovative financial products and services. From refinancing student loans to investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies, SoFi has positioned itself as a one-stop shop for a wide range of financial needs. But does wire transfer capability fit into their offerings? Answering the question, does SoFi Bank accept wire transfers? The short answer is yes, SoFi Bank does accept wire transfers. Both domestic and international wire transfers are available to SoFi customers. This means you can send money to other SoFi members or to accounts at different banks, both within the United States and abroad. Key features and benefits of wire transfers with SoFi Bank. Speed. SoFi's wire transfer service is designed to be fast and efficient. Domestic transfers typically complete within a few business days, while international transfers may take a bit longer depending on factors like the recipient's bank and the countries involved. Security. SoFi prioritizes the security of your funds. They employ advanced encryption and fraud prevention measures to protect your transactions. Convenience. Wire transfers can be initiated directly from your SoFi online banking account or mobile app. This makes it easy and convenient to send money whenever you need to. Fees. While SoFi does charge a fee for wire transfers, the exact amount may vary depending on the type of transfer, domestic or international, and the amount being sent. It's always a good idea to check SoFi's fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. Additional considerations. Recipient information. When initiating a wire transfer, you'll need to provide the recipient's bank account details, including the bank name, routing number, and account number. Currency. If you're sending money internationally, you'll need to specify the currency you want the funds to be received in. SoFi may charge a currency conversion fee for international transfers. Limits. There may be limits on the amount you can send or receive via wire transfer. These limits can vary depending on factors like your account type and your overall banking activity. So, there you have it. SoFi Bank does indeed offer wire transfer services, making it a convenient option for sending or receiving larger sums of money. Whether you're dealing with a domestic or international transaction, SoFi's wire transfer service can provide a fast, secure, and convenient way to move your funds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.